Okay, so I have problem number 22, which is 3x minus 3 over x cubed minus 2x. And first thing that I decided to do was use the quotient rule, since it's a fraction. So you know, to the quotient rule. So I started with that. So I copied the numerator over time, and you do the prime of that, or the derivative of that, times the denominator, but it's just the same, and then minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator, and then all of that over the original denominator squared. So when I did the derivatives of each one, so the derivative of this one, 3x's derivative is just 3, and negative 3's derivative is just 0, so it would just be 3, and then that comes down, and then that comes down, and the derivative of that, you move the 3 in front, so 3x, and then 3 minus 1 would be 2, so 3x squared, and then the derivative of minus 2x is just minus 2, so that comes down and is that. And then I kept the x cubed minus 2x squared, move that down. So this could be my answer, but it's not simplified. I probably would submit it like this on a test just because it's easier, and since we were timed on the test, because I believe that would be the right answer still. But then I attempted to simplify it. So I did, I separated these. So I made 3 and the x cubed minus 2x over x cubed minus 2x squared. I separated that, so I made it its own fraction, and then I made that its own fraction. So I made minus that, those terms over the denominator, and then I simplified this, so the x cubed minus 2x cancels out one of those, so it goes down to just 3 over x cubed minus 2x, and then kept all that the same, moved it down, and then I multiplied those together just to simplify them, did that over there. That equaled this term, and then I moved the least common factor up, or least common multiple up to the top, the numerator, with that, so I could combine them together. And so then we have this equation. And then I simplified more by multiplying the 3 into this, so it got to 3x cubed minus 6x was that. Then I multiplied the negative 1, which is there, just hiding, into everything in this equation, which got me that, which was, yeah, so I multiplied negative 1 to each equation. I just don't want to say every single one because it takes a long time to say. And then all of that is over x cubed minus 2x still, and then I simplified even more by canceling out the opposites, so negative 6x and plus 6x, I canceled those out. And then I had, I was left with this answer when I combined the like terms as well, where because 3x cubed plus negative 9x cubed equals negative 6x cubed, and plus 9x doesn't have anything to combine with, so plus 9x, and then minus 6 stays as well, and all that over that. And if I wanted to, I could factor this out just and have a minus 3 in the front, but I decided to keep it that way. So either one of these answers is my final answer. I probably would submit that one on the test, so.